All right, this is a quick update on Cronos. I know I haven't really been on top of Cronos, CRO, simply because price looks very similar to Bitcoin and everything looks to be determined by the higher time frames. So I'm here on the monthly, and you can see with this monthly level that we have right here, shaded in gray, price is inside of this level. And my target for this would be up here at 22 cents, just over 22 cents. But right now, obviously, Cronos is not just going to be uncorrelated from the rest of the market without some type of random event, right? It's going to move with the rest of the market. And as of right now, markets have gone down quite a bit. And so that's no different for Cronos, all right? So hopping down to the weekly, not too much is going on since we've entered this level. I'm just taking a look at some of these candles here. Let's go down to the daily. Nothing really speaks to me on the weekly. On the daily, right, I can see we wiped some highs here. Okay, dropping down. And I haven't done a pre-analysis on this. This is like, I'm literally looking at this since the last time I did a video on it. But this, I mean, nothing really stands out yet. So as far as like a big shift in structure, I'd want to see a candle closure above these highs here, right? So that would be pretty meaningful to me. So if price was to get back above like this 16.5 cent level with a nice bullish close on the daily, right? Daily minimum, and then come back and find some support in here, maybe use this sell side imbalance as an inverse fair value gap. And if we hold that, then I would target the previous swing high onward to some other swing highs here, and then that 22 cents. But it's very early to tell right now, because with Bitcoin doing this pullback right now, we could very well go lower. Going back to the weekly, we do have a level that has not been hit yet, which is right here, this buy side imbalance right here. So there is room for us to drop a little lower, enter in here, and that starts at around 12 cents. But I definitely don't want to see price get below 6.5 cents, okay? Because that's the low that we reached into with the 3-month imbalance, which has already completed its internal to external setup, right? So on the 6-month, let me see why I don't have that. I'm sorry, the 3-month, right here, where price reached into this 3-month area and then exited well beyond the previous swing high. And of course we did get a sell-off back into the range of this high. All right, so I don't want to see price revisit this area. Preferably I'd like to see us stay above it, maybe even create a buy side imbalance here, and that could be our trampoline over the next 12 months from here, and then heading back up to that 22 cent level. Now that would be a long horizon type setup. Things can happen very quickly in the crypto market. So I'm just speaking on a slow case basis, right? Like if we had all the time in the world to accumulate more CRO, then I would look for this to get to 22 cents over the next year. But as of right now, CRO is still looking really good. I mean, if I was looking at any other chart and I seen price enter a monthly imbalance and it's starting to respect that level, if I'm holding spot, I wouldn't be concerned right now, right? Now, if you're in an active trade, right, like on leverage, this is too early to be in a buy position, because nothing on the daily or weekly says that we're reversing yet, okay? Like I say, you know, we got lower highs in here, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So nothing really speaks to me as far as a reversal yet, okay? Then you got this open weekly level that hasn't been hit. Let me go back up to the weekly and show you that, okay? That level right there, which can very well be reached into going into next week, okay? But that's all I have for CRO. Not bearish, still bullish, just experiencing a pullback, all right? Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, check out some of my other videos where I do analysis on this channel.